Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize cybersecurity policies with Verizon step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current cybersecurity policies. Identify any existing gaps or vulnerabilities. Review compliance requirements relevant to your industry. Gather input from cross-functional teams, including IT and legal. Compile a list of key assets and data that need protection. Analyze potential threats and risks to these assets. Consult Verizon's cybersecurity resources and tools. Utilize Verizon's threat intelligence for real-time insights. Prioritize risks based on their potential impact on your organization. Set clear objectives for your cybersecurity policies. Develop policies that address identified risks and compliance needs. Incorporate best practices from industry standards. Tailor policies to fit your organization's unique environment. Establish a training program for employees on these policies. Encourage a culture of cybersecurity awareness within your organization. Implement a process for regular policy reviews and updates. Utilize Verizon's incident response services for monitoring. Test policies through simulated security incidents. Adjust policies based on test results and evolving threats. Document all changes and updates to maintain transparency. Communicate policies clearly across the organization. Ensure executive buy-in to support cybersecurity initiatives. Promote a collaborative approach with Verizon for ongoing support. Evaluate the effectiveness of your cybersecurity policies routinely. Stay informed about emerging cybersecurity trends and technologies. Adapt your policies as necessary to stay ahead of potential threats. Foster a continuous improvement mindset within your. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.